This is a difficult question in the 2020 AQA Chemistry Paper 1. So we are required to calculate the simple whole number ratio, which is the ratio of mole of iron atoms to the mole of chlorine atoms. So first step, we have to work out the moles. So I would use the formula moles equals mass over mR. We have a lot of masses to work with, so I would first visualize this by drawing a diagram. So as you can see, here's the glass tube with iron and glass tube with iron chloride. So to work out the mass of iron, we do the mass of the glass tube with iron minus the mass of the empty glass tube, and this gives us 4.48 grams. And to work out the mass of chlorine, we kind of have to work backwards. So we would first require the mass of iron chloride, which is the mass of the glass tube with iron chloride minus the mass of the empty glass tube, and this gives us 13 grams. So finally we can work out the mass of chlorine, which is the mass of iron chloride minus the mass of iron, which gives us 8.52 grams. Okay, so now we have the masses, but we need to find the MR, which is in the periodic table. So as you can see on the left here, the MR are 56 and 35.5 respectively. So to find the moles, we plug it into the formula. So 4.48, which is the mass of iron, divided by 56, which is the MR of iron. And you do the same thing for chlorine. So this simplifies to 0.08 to 0.24. Second step, we have to divide the moles by the smallest number of moles, which in this case is 0.08. So we divide both numbers by 0.08. This simplifies to a 1 to 3 ratio, which is our final answer. However, the question also asks us to write an equation. So let's simply convert all of this into symbols. And now let's balance this. So we have the same number of iron on both sides. However, there's 2Cl on the left hand side and 3Cl on the right hand side. So to balance this, we need to find the lowest common multiple, which is 6. So put a coefficient of 2 in front of the FeCl3 to give 6Cl, and also plug a 3 in front of the CO2 to give us 6Cl on the left hand side. Now that we have balanced the Cl, let's check the iron again. Okay, so there's 2 iron on the right hand side, so I need to put 2 in front of the iron on the left hand side, and now that's the final equation.